Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your Voyager 6200 UC. You have to start by open the application and now click at these three dots. Then go to the settings and after that click on the voice prompts and tones. Oh, sorry, yeah, you should click on language at the second line. And right here we have actually languages. So, click on it and choose the best one for you. Let's say I want to change it on United Kingdom. Now click Update Now, Continue, Start Update. Don't use your earbuds, just wait until the update is finished. After that click Close, and now let's check it, is it changed? Yeah, and we change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.